In example 4, it says write a rule for the nth term. We're given that a sub 5 is negative 128 and r is negative 2. Let's see if we can write this sequence, and we're going to do a little reverse engineering here. So, we don't know the first 4 terms, but we do know that the 5th term is negative 128. We also know that r is negative 2, so we just have to multiply this by negative 2, and we get positive 256, and so on. If we multiply by by negative 2, then what we can do, that should be a multiplication sign, hopefully you can see that. What we can do is go backwards is divide by negative 2. So I'm going to show you how that looks in the calculator here. We've got negative 128 divided by negative 2. So the previous term must be 64. Then we'll divide that by negative 2. We get negative 32. Same thing, we get 16. And that all-important first term is going to be negative 8. So we're going to write a rule that represents this function. So a sub n is equal to a sub 1, which is negative 8, times r, which is negative 2, all to the n minus 1 power. This is the 5th term, and it looks like we've already figured out the 6th term. If you wanted to, you could just do a sub 6 is equal to negative 8 times negative 2 to the 6 minus 1. I tend to do the 6 minus 1, but then type everything else in the calculator. And so when you type that in, you're going to get right here to 256. We can verify that if you want. And there you go, 256.